Hi, this cat is called equal size of an array, and this one looks exciting to me. What do we have to do? Well, we have a list as an argument, and we have to find out at which integer the sum of the integers to the left of it is equal to the sum of the integers to the right of it. Let's take this example. We have this list, and as you can see, we have index 0, 1, 2, and 3, and this is the index that we have to return. Why? Because 1, 2, and 3 equal to 6, and 3, 2, and 1 summed up is also 6. Hence, we have to return 3. How do we go about this? I have kind of an idea. First of all, we start iterating. So for index and then in the range of the length of the list. And let's print the index. And let's access the elements. Yeah, so there are 7 elements in it. But what I want to do is not access the individual elements, but to slice the list. So what we can do is to put a colon here. On the left-hand side, we start, and on the right-hand side, we stop. If we don't put in anything, it will just print till the end of the list. Having said that, let's say that we print the first iteration, then it will print, basically the entire list. But the last iteration, it will return only the last value because it goes from index 6 till the last one. So it will only print 35. Let's execute this. Yeah. And what I want to do is to compare with the second condition that we again use slicing. Again, we put in the column and then the index, and that means we start with 0 and we go till 0. But let's say that we take this iteration 2. Then it will print out from the start till index 2. So it will print out 20, 10, and 30, and so on and so forth. And what I want to compare are the values on the left-hand side and the values on the right-hand side when they are equal to each other, right? When we sum them up. There we go. So it should be about index 3. But what we should do here on the left-hand side is to add 1, as you can see it. So we make sure that we skip the first value at this iteration, but then we also get rid of this value here, because that is one value too much. And that leaves us with a list of 20, 10, and 30, this one. And with 10, 15, and 35. 10, 15, 35. Hence we have to add 1 here. Yeah, exactly as I expected. And what we have to do is to take the sum of this sliced part of the list. And for that we have a built-in function sum. So we can use sum, and as an argument it takes the sliced part of the list. Here we do the same. And let's check that out. Yeah, at the third index, the sum of 20, 10, and 30 is 60. And the sum of 10, 15, and 35 is also 60. Hence, we have to return index 3. So let's make a comparison here. And a conditional statement. If those are equal, then we return just the index. Yeah. And in all the other cases, if such a condition is not met, we just return -1. Yeah. And this one, -1. Well, it looks like it's working. Let's test it out. Attempt. And there we go. I hope this has been helpful, that you learned something from it. I'll thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.